Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have this Ipsy box. Oh, I can take a sip. To you, from you. This is my Open Studios box from Ipsy. So this is my Ipsy PR for the month of October. Always so extremely grateful to Ipsy to be part of their team. They did have an event this past weekend up in New York at Hudson Yards, I think, and I wish I would have been notified sooner because I would have gone. It's a beautiful weekend, but I just, with only a few days notice, could not, work it into my plans. So hopefully next time we'll get a little bit more notice. If it's in New York, I'm not that far. I would have loved to have gone. Discover yourself. I'll give you a little sneak peek before we get into it right here. And like I said, this is the PR box, so this is going to be the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for October. The theme is Pretty Wicked, obviously a Halloween themed. And then the card, obviously the card is Ipsy Open Studios, and that is the PR program. And then the card just gives, some basic information for your postings and what's required. So this is the Glam Bag, cute, leather-like, with the beautiful lips, green top stitching, black zipper, black pull, and this is the lipstick. You can see that there, that says Ipsy on it, adorable. And then this is what the Plus bag will look like. Their bags have been pretty nice lately, but let's do the Glam Bag, regular Glam Bag first. And these are just options that you could get in your Glam Bag. Some Open Studios members get an email with photos of all the products. I love that I actually get the products. I think that I am a very tactile person, and seeing them in person I think is better. It's way better for me. So nice bag. I like this. Nice black bag. Not necessarily basically all for Halloween, but you could. First item is from Rinna Beauty, right here, and this is a lipstick, and it's, I would assume the shade is Guilty Pleasure. Is this a lipstick or a lip gloss? Lip gloss. So let's open this up. Maria was sleeping, now she's down. So this is what the packaging looks like. Nice shade, I like it. It's probably just a standard doe foot. Yeah, right here. Let's give a little swatch and see. I'm all about the look. So this is definitely a gloss right there. Nice, I like this. No real scent. I love when they scent them like vanilla scent or stuff like that. So that is the first product. That is nice. I could have worn that today. From, and I never know how to say this. It's O-U-A-I. I'm not sure. I know I pronounced it right once before, but I don't weigh. I think it is detox shampoo, all hair types. That's interesting. Always looking for good shampoo and conditioners to try. Oh, this is nice. From, now who's it from? M2O maybe? M2U, New York. Does that say city? New York City right there. And this is sealed, but this is an eye primer, so I'll leave it sealed. But I love things like this. This is great as your base for your makeup. Happy for that. Ooh, I think I did pick this in one of my Glam Bags. I love Tatcha, and this is the Dewy Skin Cream. Because I do Ipsy versus Ipsy, and I know I chose one of these as my, I just absolutely love Tatcha. It's expensive, great brand though, and I'm happy to have this in this bag. And like I said, I know I'm getting it in one of my Ipsys because I did choose it. I don't know about the other one. Then we have a little quad palette, it looks like. That's an option to get. I love these to take away. And this is from Cella, and this is Cella and Vella Beauty. And this says, hello, beautiful. And Blushing Rose Eyeshadow Palette. Glisten and Spirited and Presence and Vibration are the shade names. Sometimes these things do not want to open nicely. Oreo. Is it sealed? cannot get this open. Why? Oh, there we go. I think that's a nice palette right there. Put it this way. So glisten and spirited are here, and then over here is presence and vibration. That's actually a nice little quad palette to throw in your makeup bag, inside your handbag, to take away. I mean, I would need a lighter shade for a base, but if you took another little single along with this, you could get away with this for like a weekend, or, I mean, I wouldn't want that for like a whole week, but for the weekend. Let me just take this one. I have to, this drawer is a mess. It's heavy, and it's all my lip products, and I've been trying to go through slowly but surely and see if I can pare them down a little bit. It's just the lip fetish is real. There ain't nothing fake about that. I always have something on my lips, whether it's lipstick, a lip liner, a lipstick, a lip gloss, a balm. I love it. So now we're going to do the plus. So here's the bag, and it has the Ipsy tab on it. This is cute. I'm telling you, I've been loving the bags lately. Ooh, looks like we have a little scarf in our PR package, so that'll be nice to, you can use this as, and it does have an Ipsy, I don't know if you guys can see that right there, Ipsy at the bottom, you know, so you can use this as a hair wrap, a hair ponytail holder inside your coat for like a little scarf to close the front. Winter's coming, so I'm happy to have that. I'll fold that up nicer later. I don't know where to start. I'm not sure if we got this already. I'd have to go back and double check. I love Dermalect. I think they have one of the best neck and décolleté creams that I have ever tried. And they're not very expensive. I'm trying to think how I got it in PR. I did have a replacement, and I'm trying to think the third one that I bought, how much it was. I think 30 or under, but it's a huge jar, and you need a little tiny bit. I use a scoop to take a little bit out for your neck and your décolleté. I take it up to like jawline. I think it's phenomenal. The best I've tried for a neck cream. This is Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum is an option, which is always great. Dermalect, in my opinion, is not talked about enough, and it's a great brand. I love some of their nail serums and peptides, and great products. So this is nice. Glycolic and salicylic and L-ascorbic acids. Apply on cleansed skin and allow for the serum to absorb. So it's, I guess, no need to wash off. Well, that's good to know. And this is, how many ounces? Do we have 1 ounce? 30 ml. That's a nice size. I'm not going to complain about that. Let's see what the next item is. From Theory Body. This is a detoxifying charcoal body scrub. Now, I don't mind the charcoal body scrub. I just can't use it on my face. So I'm happy to have that. Made with Bincho Tan white charcoal, argan oil, and marula oil. Nice. So a body scrub is fine. Can't do the charcoal masks. There's one that I have used and can, because it's not as drying, and it's like violet purple. And I don't remember who makes that, but I can get away with that one every once in a while. These regular charcoal, no, cannot. So from Murad, we have Resurgence, and this is a renewing eye cream. Love Murad. I probably have 10 of their products that are in my active skincare basket that I don't use every night, but that I do use. And this is 15 ml or 0.5 ounces, little pump. You just need a little bit. AM and PM, gently pat around the eye. I'll put 10 things around my eye, anything to help. From Jekka Block, this is a play pot, vegan and cruelty-free, Gold Touch Shimmer Finish. What is this? I'm not sure, but let's open it and find out. Is this a highlighter? Probably. Here's the packaging. So this is definitely a highlighter. I'm not going to open this because this will get everywhere, especially if it's loose. Let me see. Maybe I will open it. No, it's not loose. It's right here. That's interesting. I would assume that's a highlighter. Am I making a bad assumption here? Shimmer finish, made in the UK. I would assume that that's a highlighter, but maybe it's an eyeshadow that you can put on. What is this here? From Buddha. This is vitamin C serum, your daily dose of brightening and antioxidants. And this does have a seal on it. I'm going to leave it sealed. Vitamin C is in a dark bottle and should be kept in a dark place, not in direct sunlight. And follow the expiration date that is on here because vitamin C does not last long. Apply 4 to 5 drops to cleanse skin. Massage in. Face, neck, chest, and any problem area. That'll last for a while. How big is this? Oh, it didn't come in a box. This is 1 fluid ounce, 30 ml, so that's a good size. And then the last product, I'm just trying to clear off some room here off this table because it kind of is from Il Makiage right here. Love Il Makiage. If you are struggling to find a foundation or a concealer, their shade match system is 1000% spot on. I never thought in a million years that doing their little test, be honest, because you don't want to get the wrong shade, was spot on, and a lot of other people agree. Like, they are matching whatever their system they're using, their match is perfect. And if it's not, you send it back and they'll correct it. So, you know, you're not ever worried. And this is a high volume mascara, and this is in Icon Black, which I will share because I have several of, I have one that I kept and I've received several of these. Phenomenal mascara, and I will share that in an upcoming giveaway. So that was my Ipsy Plus and my Ipsy Glam bag right here for October 2021 that I received in PR. And this theme is pretty wicked. I think these boxes are going to be great once again. I had an issue with Ipsy. I made sure that I was, you know, active in the Bag X for next month because I love Huda Beauty, and she's going to have some the curator of the Bag X, so I wanted to get that, make sure I got that. And they tried to charge me October 1st for the November Bag X, and I was like, oh, no. So they sent them an email, they refunded, and I'm like, I will get the box, but you're not charging me October 1st for something that's probably not going to ship till mid-November. You charge me November 1st like you're going to charge me for both glam bags, because I won't get the Plus then, but I'll have Plus in PR, so I figured, you know, I don't need to get 2 Plus, 2 glam bags, and, you know, so I can't be, I'm overwhelmed with products. I'm going to be waiting till I get the majority of my beauty boxes in, and then I'm going to do a declutter, a serious declutter. I have these 2 tall 10 drawers full of my stuff. I have 3 rolling carts behind me. Well, 2 behind me, 1's in the front of me. Full of my stuff. Skincare, makeup, palettes, miscellaneous samples, and then 1 is full of brushes, palettes, and miscellaneous as my giveaway. It's too much. So I'm going to be going through and being vicious and just decluttering. I can't continue to get all these boxes and have nowhere to put it. I'm going to do a few boxes. I just real fast wanted to share. We have a subscriber that's been with me for a long time. Have a devastation. She lives in Michigan, and I guess mid or end of July, serious flooding, or August, something like that, serious flooding, and just lost everything. Literally got out her, I think her service dog, and I don't even know if she had time to grab any, you know, any essentials. Lost everything, is displaced, staying somewhere else, and they're, you know, I guess had to start from scratch to get her home back to be livable. And it just broke my heart to hear that. I can't even imagine what that feels like, to literally walk out with what is on your back and have nothing. And so I am sending her a box of goodies, and we'll get that out. She does know I'm going to send it to her because I had to get her different address, just with some basic stuff that she can at least have some skincare, makeup, brushes, and highlighting palettes and all that good stuff, just to help out. I have so much. I'm so blessed and overwhelmed with what I have. So I figured I'd quick get her a box out. So I'll be sending that out to her next week. So keep, I don't want to give her name. I just don't know if she would want that. If she wants to comment, that's fine. But keep her and her family and everyone else affected in her area in your thoughts and prayers, that everything resolves quickly. She can get back into her own home and start to pick up and, you know, rebuild and continue with life. So that's that. And let me know what you thought of the Ipsy spoilers for Glam Bag and for Plus for October. I appreciate all of you. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.